If someone is having sinusitis, a one-sided facial pain, a blackish discoloration over the bridge of nose and palate, toothache, and chest pain, then please beware. This could be black fungus. And now in this video, I'm going to explain you what is mucormycosis or black fungus. Let's begin. What causes mucormycosis? Mucormycosis is also known as black fungus or zygomycosis, is caused by a group of mold called Mucormycetes. These fungi live in the environment, particularly in soil and in decaying organic matter, such as leaves, compost piles, or rotten wood. When someone breathes these fungal spores, they are likely to get the infection that commonly affects the sinuses or lungs. Medical experts say mucormycosis is an opportunistic infection. It latches onto the people like a parasite who are battling illnesses or people or patients who are on medications that lower the body's ability to fight infections. Actually, patients with COVID-19 have very weak immunity and a large number of them are put on steroids in order to control hyperimmune response. This makes the fungus very much easy to penetrate inside and spread rapidly and kill the patient. The majority of mucormycosis infections has been seen in the COVID-19 patients with highly uncontrolled diabetes or those with underlying or undetected high blood sugar. Infections do not heal so easily for a diabetic patient. The reason is their immunity level is very less and the antibodies which fight with the antigens do not fight as how it fights in a normal patient. India's poor air quality is also one of the reasons for this fungus infection to survive, because it provides an apt environment for the fungus to thrive. There is also the rampant misuse and overuse of steroids and antibiotics in India. Mucormycosis is also known to develop on the skin if the fungus enters through a cut, scrape, or other injuries. Patients who have undergone organ transplant are also known to be susceptible. The treatment for mucormycosis is expensive. Surgical removal of the infected tissue is the primary treatment for the infection, in addition to a long course of antifungal medication. Mucormycosis is like a fast-spreading cancer that invades the body. But the only good thing about mucormycosis is it happens mostly in the patient with highly uncontrolled diabetes, people who are on many immunosuppressants, whose immunity level is very low. Remember, this is a fatal fungal infection. If someone is having these symptoms, then kindly reach out to the nearest hospital and visit the doctor.